Art restoration is a fine process that involves fixing and preserving artwork that has been damaged or getting worse over time. The complex designs and vibrant colors of Persian art hold immense cultural and historical significance. However, many artworks have been damaged over time, hence leading to missing or damaged portions that need reconstruction. Image inpainting is a modern technique that pulls advanced deep learning algorithms to fill in the distorted parts of the images. We use one of the most effective methods for this task, the unique convolutional neural network (CNN) model. Business problem. Despite the advancements in technology, art reconstruction remains a complex and labor-intensive process. Traditional methods require skilled artisans and can be both lengthy and expensive. Also, making sure the distorted parts match perfectly with the original art is a big challenge. That's why we need an automated and structured solution. Here is the solution. Introducing our innovative and creative web application that tackles the power of the UNet CNN model for image inpainting. With our app, users can upload images of damaged Persian art, and the UNet model will analyze the image to identify the distorted areas. Using deep learning techniques, it then generates an inpainted version of the artwork while maintaining the original style and detail of the art. Our app not only simplifies the reconstruction process but also makes it accessible to a wider audience, allowing more people to preserve and enjoy these priceless cultural treasures. By leveraging this technology, we can significantly reduce the time and cost associated with art reconstruction, making it easier to protect and preserve our cultural heritage for future generations. Conclusion. Art reconstruction has entered a new era with the advent of AI and deep learning. Embrace this technology to help preserve the beauty and history of these masterpieces.